Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem missing numbers. So given a numbers array containing n distinct numbers in the range of 0 to n including both, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array, and we have to come up in a solution which takes O of n time and O1 space complexity. So this problem is very straightforward, and if you have solved the set mismatch problem, then we have already solved this problem in that as a sub problem of that problem. So in example 1 we have 3 0 1, so total 3 numbers, so numbers should be from 0 1 2 3, and now as you can see 2 is missing, so we have to return 2. In second example length is 2, so we should have 3 number 0 1 2, now 0 and 1 is there, so 2 is missing. And in this third example we have length of our array is 9, and we should have number from 0 to 9. We have all the number except the 8, we have to return the 8. So how we will solve this problem? So this problem we can solve in multiple solution, like the first solution, like naive approach, very naive approach, like if you are not getting any other optimal solution. So the first solution you can do is start a for loop from I is equals to 0 to n including both, and then run another nested for loop for j is equals to length of the j is equal to 0 to length of array nums dot length, and check if we are getting I in our array. If it is, then it's fine. If we didn't found the this I in our array, we will return the I. So the I will be R. So if you see, this is O of n square solution. Can we optimize this? So another optimal solution. So this will be our, let's say, solution 1. This will be solution 1. In second solution, what we can do, we can use a hash set here. So second solution we can use hash set. So we can run a for loop, or basically instead of for loop what we can do, we can first create a hash set from our nums array, from array. Once we done from array nums, and after that what we will do, we will iterate a for loop from I is equals to 0 to n, and then check which I is not in our hash set, that is the missing I. So this is the second solution. So this solution is taking time O of n as well as space O of n. Can we further optimize the space, as the follow up is we have to do in O of 1 space. So how can we do? So let's say if we have numbers from 0 1 2 and until n, so the sum of these number will be n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the expected sum. Now we will find the actual sum. So let's say in our array in example 1, so we have array 0 3 and 1. So the sum of this will be 0 plus 1 plus 3, which is 4, and the expected sum is, like, length of our array is 3 here. So the expected sum was 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 2, which is 6. So what we can do, we will subtract this sum. So this is our sum and this is our expected sum. So we will subtract expected sum. So 6 minus 4 is the missing number, which is 2. So now as you can see in this solution, we are just iterating our array once and we are using constant variables. So let's implement the code with this solution. So let's say int sum initialize from 0 for int num in nums, sum is equal to sum plus num. So we will get the sum here. Now we just return, so the let's define num as n as well here. Int n is equal to nums dot length. So the expected sum is n into n plus 1 by 2 minus the actual sum. So let's try to compile the code, and we are getting expected. Let's submit this code, and it got accepted. So as you can see, the time complexity of this solution is O of n and the space complexity of this solution is O of 1. We can also solve this using a JOR operation. So let's try to understand second solution, the JOR solution. So in JOR solution, what we will do, let's understand the JOR. So as we already know we should have number from 0, 1, 2 until n. So, let us take the example 1 again. So, we have 0, 1 and 3. So, here and we supposed to have number like 0, 1, 2 and 3. So, if we jot these all the numbers in this array, given array nums, and the number from 0 to n, which is this. So, if jor of two number, as we do jor, so we can say we know as a jor a is 0. So, if we jor these two array like this and this, in that case the jor of 0 0 and 1 1 and 3 3 and jor of a jor 0, another thing, another property of jor, a jor 0 is a itself. So, these using these two property, we will jor this whole array. After joring, we will get the 2 will be left over here. So, we will get our missing number. So, let us write the code for the jor solution. So, int missing number, and the missing number we will initialize from the length of our array. So, after that what we will do, we will iterate the numbers int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length and I plus plus. Now, we will write like missing number is jor with every jor with I, jor with nums of I. So, this is what we are joring the I, all the I index from 0 to n minus 1 over here, and n we already have here, and then all the nums of I. After that, we will get the missing number in our missing variable. So, we will return the missing. So, let us compile this code, the jor solution. So, it got compiled. Let us submit this code. So, it got accepted. So, same, the time complexity of this solution as also O of n, and the space is O of 1. If you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.